Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to fix the Windows Security Center service cannot be started issue. If you're experiencing this problem, don't worry, we've got you covered. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Press the Windows key and type Services in the search bar. Step 2. Click on the Services option from the search results. Step 3. In the Services window, scroll down and locate Security Center from the list. Step 4. Right-click on Security Center and select Properties from the drop-down menu. Step 5. In the Properties window, under the General tab, you'll find the Startup Type option. Click on the drop-down menu and select Automatic. Step 6. If the service status is showing as stopped, click on the Start button to begin the service. Step 7. Once the service has started, click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Step 8. Now, you can close all the windows and restart your computer. That's it. Your Windows Security Center service should now be fixed. You can now enjoy a secure and protected Windows experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.